Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best high-performance car diagnostic tools that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the OBDII OBDII scanner with upgrade battery tester. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, this tool might be your best bet. At just $20.99, it offers essential diagnostic functions like reading and clearing engine error codes, live data streaming, and vehicle health assessments. It also includes a built-in battery tester to monitor voltage and prevent unexpected battery failures, a feature that sets it apart from other budget options. In terms of design and build quality, the OBDII OBDII scanner is compact and rugged, with a 2.5-foot heavy-duty cable and a sturdy insulation layer. The 720 by 1440 resolution screen provides clear, easy-to-read data, and its lightweight design makes it portable and practical for everyday use. While it lacks advanced features like ABS or transmission diagnostics, it shines as an affordable tool for basic troubleshooting. The performance is fast and accurate thanks to its upgraded microprocessor. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and casual users, this scanner delivers significant value for its price, especially for those looking to diagnose common car issues without breaking the bank. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't support advanced diagnostics like ABS codes or battery life tests, limiting its utility for more complex repairs. Overall, it's a solid entry-level choice for budget-conscious buyers. At number 4, we have the OBDII OBDII Scanner Reader Bluetooth Wireless Auto Diagnostic Scan Tool, priced at $22.99. This Bluetooth-enabled scanner brings a lot of convenience to the table. It connects seamlessly to iOS and Android devices using its upgraded Bluetooth 5.4 system, making diagnostics faster and more reliable. With its exclusive app, users can easily visualize live data, clear error codes, and perform performance tests all from their smartphone. The design is sleek and portable, weighing only 2 ounces and featuring a user-friendly interface. The included app is intuitive and supports multiple languages, ensuring accessibility for a broad range of users. While its compact size is great for portability, it's also sturdy enough to withstand daily use. The device supports 9 protocols and is compatible with over 96% of vehicles manufactured since 1996, including popular brands like Toyota, Ford, and BMW. In terms of performance, the OBDII Bluetooth scanner provides detailed insights into your vehicle's health through clear graphical data visualization. It's perfect for tech-savvy users who prefer wireless solutions and want real-time updates on their car's condition. However, it's worth mentioning that while it's a step above basic models, it doesn't offer as many advanced features as higher-end tools. Nonetheless, it's an excellent choice for users seeking a wireless, app-integrated scanner with reliable functionality. In the number 3 spot is the FixD Bluetooth OBDII scanner. This tool offers a perfect balance of affordability and functionality at $39.99. Designed with simplicity in mind, FixD is an excellent choice for everyday users who want to diagnose and clear their check engine light without hassle. It translates complex vehicle codes into plain English and even estimates repair costs, empowering users to make informed decisions before heading to the mechanic. The build quality is sleek and compact, making it easy to carry or leave connected in your car. It connects wirelessly to iOS and Android devices via Bluetooth and pairs with the FixD app, which is intuitive and packed with features. The app provides live data, maintenance reminders, and even manufacturer-specific service intervals, making it ideal for proactive car care. Performance-wise, FixD is fast and accurate, reading and clearing error codes in seconds. It supports all gas-powered vehicles from 1996 onward, but does not work with diesel or all-electric models. While Fix D Premium offers additional features like repair estimates and a mechanic hotline, the basic version is sufficient for most users. Overall, Fix D is a versatile tool for those looking for a mid-range scanner with user-friendly diagnostics and reliable performance. Taking the number 2 spot is the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBDII scanner. Priced at $27.99, this tool is a top choice for those seeking a reliable, no-frills scanner to diagnose engine fault codes. Recommended by Scotty Kilmer, a trusted YouTuber and mechanic, the AD310 is known for its accuracy and ease of use. It reads and clears error codes, provides live data, and even displays freeze-frame data and IM readiness status, all without the need for batteries or chargers. The design is sturdy, yet compact, weighing 12 ounces and featuring a durable cable with thick insulation. The large screen and clearly labeled buttons ensure user-friendly operation, while its lightweight construction makes it easy to transport. Unlike Bluetooth models, this scanner is plug-and-play, drawing power directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port. Performance-wise, the AD310 delivers fast and accurate results compatible with all OBD2 protocols. It works with a wide range of vehicles, including US-based models from 1996 onward and EU-based cars from 2000. While it lacks advanced features like ABS diagnostics, it's perfect for users who just need a reliable code reader at an affordable price. Overall, the ANCEL AD310 is a highly durable and dependable tool for basic troubleshooting. And finally, at number 1, we have the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 scan tool, the gold standard in car diagnostic tools. Priced at $89.95, this premium device offers professional-grade diagnostics for everyday users. BlueDriver can read and clear trouble codes for systems like ABS, airbags, SRS, and TPMS, capabilities that are typically reserved for expensive mechanic-grade tools. Plus, you get repair reports with possible causes and fixes, making it easier to resolve issues at home. The design is compact and wireless, connecting to your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth. Its user-friendly app provides access to a vast database of repair videos and real-time health monitoring through live data streaming. The BlueDriver is compatible with all gas-powered vehicles from 1996 onward and supports enhanced diagnostics for many popular car brands, including Toyota, Ford, BMW, and Honda. Performance-wise, this tool is unmatched, offering fast and accurate diagnostics with zero subscription fees or add-ons. Whether you're clearing a check engine light or diagnosing complex issues, BlueDriver delivers a seamless experience that's worth every penny. The only downside is the higher price point, but for users who want a comprehensive and reliable diagnostic tool, BlueDriver is the ultimate choice. It's perfect for mechanics, advanced DIYers, and even casual users who want top-tier functionality in a compact package. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.